Hello everybody, welcome to Three Rings Workshop. Today I'm going to be working on this airsoft gun. I got a kit from, it's called evic.com for a lot of airsoft stuff, but they have what's called a box of things, and it's just a bunch of random stuff that is, some of it's semi-broken. So I got this in there and all I had to do is do a little bit of research, find a part, and we're going to work on that today and get it running. So thanks for watching. Let's go. From what I could find, leave that in there. All I needed was this piece, but we're going to see if that's real. Oh, I thought that was aluminum, but I guess it could be. It's a little more lightweight, which I don't like. Alright, let's take this thing apart. Yeah, that looks good. It was so hard to find these parts. Okay. This will be interesting. Let's see, that has to go in first. Oops. Let's see what we can do to get this back together. I did watch a video on it, but I forgot the technique for this particular piece. I see. Okay. The spring actually goes down inside that bushing. So, pull that back out. I think we're going to have to Good, good. While we have it open, oops, keep bunking my head. Let's put a little oil in there. Okay. This is hopeful. Good. I think it might be time to test this thing out. So this already has BBs in it. I'm not really a fan of having to take things apart. I think it's still this one. But I've got to undo this screw to get this pin out so that I can get to the CO2 chamber, if you will. All right, here we go. So I'm going to leak a little bit. Okay, safety on. Let's try shooting something with it. I'm going to go shoot a few shots at this thing now. Oops. That's it. So about 3 magazines worth. Woo! This thing was super fun to shoot. Looks like it's reasonable too, with the 3 magazines worth of BBs for 1 CO2 cartridge. So, totally worth it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe. Good things are coming.